Hello guys, we use smartphone Oppo A17k. This version 3GB RAM and 64GB internal memory. Okay, look to completion. In completion we have adapter for charging and micro USB cable. This is all completion. Okay. Now talk about the phone. Phone made of plastic. On the back side camera OLED, on the front side 6.5-inch display, warm buttons and power button with fingerprint scanner. On this side slot for 2 SIM card and micro SD card for memory. Downside micro USB port, speaker, microphone and headphones jack. Turn on device. Okay. Open settings. We have display IPS HD resolution, HD plus resolution. About phone, we have Color OS 12.1 and Android 12. Look Geekbench 5 score. And talk about system information. We have Helio G35, this CPU and GPU Power VR. Okay. Single core score and multi-core score. And GPU test results. Look on the benchmark score. Okay, close this and run GTA Sunrise. Okay, game works very good on the medium graphic level. Okay, close this, and now I show you photos on the main camera. Main camera 8 megapixels, single camera, and I show you photos.